Good morning, fam. Join me on harvesting our jack-o'-lantern. This is our first time growing and our first time harvesting one. Okay, y'all? Our jack-o'-lantern pumpkin. Okay? Oh no, give my heart away. And the pigtails are brown on the top out here. That's how you know it's ready. And, pretty much ready. Open up my soul. But babe, how could I know you're cold? Shame on you. Should have seen what you were like. Jack-o'-lantern pumpkin. Join me on harvesting my second pumpkin of the year. A jack-o'-lantern, okay? All right. And you know when it's ready when the pigtails are brown on top. And they are brown. Guess you fooled me once, but I ain't falling twice. All lies. Oh Lord, I ain't gonna run. Our rise has just begun.
Hi fam, we're doing our third pumpkin harvest. We already got two of them, so this will be third right here. Hey fam, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Y'all be blessed.